Hey guys, today I'm in the garage with the Tiger Sport 660. And what I want to do today is install this bobbin kit for the swing arm so that I can use a rear stand. So these bobbins actually screw in right over here on the swing arm, but there's this little cap that's in the way that has to come out. And it's not really easy to get this out of here. I haven't really found any good instructions online. I saw a bunch of people that used spudgers and really thin screwdrivers and whatnot, but they ended up hacking up the paint around here or the swing arm itself. So I'm going to show you what I figured out in order to take these out of here safely. So I took a roll of tape here and stuck it around just so in case I slip, I don't scar up my swing arm, scratch off the paint or anything like that. Okay, next I'm just taking a really small drill bit and I want to make sure that it's centered. If you use a drill bit that's too big, it could actually scratch the threads that are inside and you don't want that to happen. So if you do use this drill method, just make sure you get as close to the center of this as you can. And I'm just going very slowly just to get like a little pilot hole in here. All right, that's enough. Now that the pilot hole is in there, I'm gonna put a little screw head in just so I can get some grip on it. So I'm just screwing this in just enough so I can get a grip with the pliers here. So you can see there's not much to this little cap, but it's in those threads pretty good. So this is the easiest method that I found to do this without scratching up the bike. Those aren't actually scratches, they're just little pieces of the plastic that got drilled off. So I have no scratches on here and the threads are in perfect condition. So here's what these little caps look like after you take them off. Now they do have drill holes in them, but if you really needed to, you could probably reuse these. So here's the bobbin that I'm going to install. These are 6mm, and I did put a little thread locker on there even though the directions didn't call for any. And to install these, you just screw them in and tighten them down to 24 Newton meters. Well, that's it on the install. These were pretty quick. I mainly want to do the video just to show how to remove those caps off of here in order to install the bobbin kit. So hopefully this will be useful to some of you guys out there. If you like the video, please click that like button and I will see you guys on the next one.